Hello friends, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to walk you through a couple of important RxJS operators like off, from, interval, timer. These operators are categorized as creation operators, and I'm going to show you a real-time scenario examples so that you can apply these concepts in your day-to-day work life. So without delay, come let's get started. So friends, before we dive in, this is the GitHub link where you will find every single project that I'm demonstrating. So feel free to go through and browse whichever project you like. For this specific video, I will post the exact link of the repository in the video description itself. If you would like to follow me on LinkedIn, Instagram, Twitter, and GitHub, these are the links that you can click and follow me. I will be more than happy to collaborate with you. So don't forget to follow me. Now let's dive into the video. So the first one that we are going to see is the creation operators. Alright, so this is the UI. Basically a set of tasks has been added using the off and the from operator, and using the interval and the timer operator we are going to add this task after some time, and after a certain period of time it's going to display this don't forget to complete your task, right? Interesting. So let's take a look at the code. So this is the piece of simple code that we are referring to the UI. So let's understand, this is very important to understand how the operators are used. Okay, so the first one is the off operator. Basically off operator, you can convert anything as an observable. So in this case, task 1, task 2, task 3, they are nothing but an array of strings. So instead of defining array of strings, we are making an array of strings as an observable. So if you hover on it, it will tell you this is an observable. So basically it returns an observable of string, right? So what we are doing is we are converting this string into observable of string, and we are subscribing to it. So which means when this executes, every time it emits these items one by one, and every time it emits, we are subscribed to it. So we are going to push the task into the empty task item, right? So currently the task is just a string of array. It doesn't have anything. We have initialized with empty string, right? Empty array. And the first step that we are doing is we use off to convert a type into an observable of the type. In this case, it's a string observable of string. And then we are subscribing to it. And then for every single thing that is getting emitted, we are pushing it. So when you see at the when you look at the UI, you will see these three items first printed, right? Next, we are going to use the from operator. So when can you use the from operator? Let's say there is an array of string or array of some type. It could be any complex types of anything. Okay, we are converting that as an observable. So from this array of additional task is an array of string which has 4, 5, 6. Now this again becomes an observable of string. We are subscribing to it. We are pushing each item to it. So that's why when you see the UI, you will see task 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 added immediately. All right, there's no delay. It just adds immediately. You will not even see that happening in the UI. Now, interval is another operator. Basically, interval means you are defining seconds in milliseconds, and then it will kick in after that time is done. So for every 2 seconds, that's the interval. Okay, we are subscribing to it, and then we are pushing some content to the task. So basically whatever the task length is there, we are just adding one more. So if it was 6, it's going to be 7, 8, 9. And the important thing that you need to understand here is we have also used an operator called take, and then we specify the number 3, which means this will take only the first 3. After that, every time it tries to run for this 2 seconds, it won't take. It will stop after the third one. That's the meaning of this. The last one is the timer. After 10 seconds, we are subscribing to it. It's observable as well. We're subscribing it, and then we are setting some text to variable, and that is what is being displayed here. Okay, we just have a simple ng for that displays all of these things. So let's go one by one. Let's go one more time, right? So if I go here, see first 6 added immediately. After every 2 seconds, it is getting added 7, 8, 9, and the 10th second you will see the timer executes, and then this comes. So that's what this example of creation operators. So we learned 4 operators. I hope you enjoy this video. I hope you will apply these concepts in your day-to-day programming. And if you have any questions, do let me know in the comment sections. And if you like this video, do subscribe to my channel, share this with your friends. I'll see you in the next RxJS operator video. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tutorials. And don't forget to hit the bell icon to get notified when we post new videos. If you have any questions or suggestions, leave them in the comments below. Happy coding!